different, and it also depends with the what? The family. But if you're here, let me tell you, don't think about it. Sometimes when we are teaching, different families have different aspects of everything. Even if you come from a single parent, it doesn't mean that God doesn't love you, because that was not your choice, right? It was not your choice in the first place. It has nothing to do with you. It was their what? The decisions they made. It's yours. And your life is what? Is green where it's coming. It's coming to be better. So don't think about it. From there, we go to reasons why polygamy is unpopular in the society today. What is polygamy? What is polygamy? Simameni. Hakuna mtu anajibu. Simameni. Stand up, all of you. Shamala, what is polygamy? Yes, and why were you not speaking? Nini kinafanya msiongee? Hata mtu hawezi jua kama anafunza ama nini. Mimi naongea ni kama niko university. I'm just lecturing and people are just listening. Wale wengine wakija umenyamaza hivyo? Mnanyamaza tu. You don't have your own views or opinions. I don't judge people because of their opinion. Actually, I like people who talk, because I know what they're thinking. If you don't talk now, it will be so boring. So boring, I do not have anything new thing to tell other people, because now I don't know your opinion. I can only tell you my views. You cannot tell me your views. Simameni kidogo mpumue. Kiranja, kwa nini umevaa fulana? Tukiwa nursery school, tukiwa chekechea, tulikuwa unasema unatunywa damu. Toa, unatunywa damu. Vua. Kuna joto huko. Utoi kabisa. Umetoa vipi? Kuna mtu anakumonolize hapa. Hakuna. Akikumonolize unaniambia, namuonyesha cha mtema kuni. Si umuonyeshe tuone. Unajua mkiwa mnasema ukiwa peke yako utatii. Utakaa hapo, unaona hapo nje ofisi yangu hapo? Usiku peke yako hapo the whole time. Ama nikupeleke pale chini ya mtu upigwe na baridi. Haina haja ya kupa kazi. Nakupa jambo ambalo litakukera kama hilo. Unaketi pale peke yako umenyamaza, you meditate. I give you time out. No books, nothing. Ukaa pale uangalie kila mtu anapita the whole night. It will kill your head. I wish even we could be giving people time out here. It is much better than even caning. I give you time out up, you go crazy alone, looking at the wall. You'll be shocked. Utaanza kujifanya dakika mbili unaanza kutafuta usingizi na uji, kwa sababu baridi inakupiga. Haya keti, you're the cause of sit down. Who was the language mentor? Monto. What do you call it? Inaitwa disk, inaitwa Monto. Angalia kwa dictionary Monto. Iko wapi? Yenye ni disk, iko wapi? Nani hanayo? Why are you measuring people? There are people who never speak. I want to hear them speak in English, like Shamala. Shamala, you only speak Swahili, right? You speak English. Who was the you're calling it what? Disc? Yes. It doesn't have an owner. Is it a bone? What the hell? Jesus. Who has need it? God help us. So we've been told polygamy is marrying many wives. So why is it unpopular today? It's unpopular because it needs a lot of financial what? Commitments. You have 5 wives. And if each wife is giving birth, you have 5 homesteads to take care of. And today, even taking care of, with this economy, taking care of one wife is what? An assault. So it's unpopular because of that. Also, it involves a lot of chaos. The wives are quarreling, and the children, especially the children, when they're grown up, they quarrel. But the wives quarrel a lot. We also have Western culture or Christianity, which only supports what? Monogamous marriages. And then many people conduct a Christian wedding. And therefore they promise to always have one wife. Because of it's seen as one of the causes of the spread of HIV/AIDS. That's why it's not popular. There is also scarcity of land. Land for the families to do what? To build and to plow. So there is scarcity of land. Difficult to keep 2 or more women in one compound. As a need of different homes. Initially in our traditional African communities, those who get married to more than one wife, they use all of them to build in the same homestead. But today, that is what? That is not doable, because each wife needs to do what? Needs to build in their own homestead. The notion of having many wives in order to improve one's status is immaterial today. Before, if you have more than one wife, you were given a different status. Yes? Yes, and it was very lucrative. But today, is it the right word? That's not the right word. That's a wrong word. It was very enticing, but today it is no longer. That's why people are not polygamous. And individualism, where women will never allow their husbands to have a second wife, it is there. They only want to be the only what?